Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming in today. My mic today is the ZealSound KD8S. ZealSound sent this out to me to try out, and I actually really like the mic. It's a condenser or dynamic microphone, and it has connectivity out the wazoo. It has a Type C, a Type A, and more importantly, a little bit of a professional edge to it where you have the XLR connection, which can go into sound mixers. If you're a gamer, if you're a streamer, if you sing karaoke for a living on the internet, whatever the case is, this mic will work perfectly for you. It has a volume button right on the mic, which the LEDs, these beautiful LEDs, which are customizable, are used to gauge the gain change when you turn the knob. So in other words, when you turn the knob, you'll see a little red level going up around the microphone, which kind of gives you an idea of where you are on the volume meter. Pretty neat. Then it has a touch capacitive button right here on the front. When I touch the button with a very brief touch, everything turns to red. That's mute. When I long press the button, I get a blue color, which tells me now this is not controlling the gain to the mic. Now it's controlling the monitoring headphone jack, which is on the bottom of the mic. This microphone comes with a boom stand. And as I said, if I hit the button on the bottom, this switches through the LED colors. Makes me feel like Christmas. And that's a good thing. Well, that's about it. The sound itself, you could judge for yourself because I'm recording on it. You might hear some clicks, might hear some different sounds. As long as you get that gain set correctly, this mic is money. And let me tell you what, this microphone is very budget friendly. And as far as I'm concerned, and I've used some very high-end microphones, this thing outperforms a lot of them. If you're into ASMR and whispering sounds, this is perfect for that. If you're into gaming, this is perfect for it. If you're into recording YouTube content like I'm doing, this is perfect. Give it a try. Thanks to ZealSound for sending it out, the KD8S. We'll see you next time.